Oh!
Oh my god. Stephen Harper.
Hello everybody and welcome aboard. Once again we are the 605 northbound Berry train. My name is James, your customer service ambassador and Go Transit. We thank you for riding with us this evening and hope you enjoy your trip. Downsview Park is going to be our first station stop. Downsview Park.
V glavnem, ja, sem na vlaku in to je WC. Ne vem, kje drugje naj to povem, da sem se tukaj noč spravil. V glavnem, sem na poti na obisk k enemu prijatelju, ki živi 1 uro z vlakom ven iz Toronta. Kakšen perček bomo spili, malo čilirali. Tako.
Bro! What's up, man?
Bro, how are you?
Good, man. What's up?
Do you mind if I vlog?
Yeah, go ahead, dude. I don't give a
Awesome.
fuck. Do whatever you want.
Italian guy is taking me to his place.
What's up?
But as far as I'm aware, that's relatively new part of the city, right?
Yeah.
So this is Aurora.
That's right.
That's
Yeah.
the part of the city, or is that like?
This is like the suburbs. Suburbs. where,
Suburb?
like,
Okay.
most of the people, you know, the residents are here. This is my house.
Hey, is that your van?
No, my dad's.
Okay.
He does for work.
Wow. What's that statue there?
It's for, it's a little late. It's for Christmas.
Ah.
We used to have a thing for hockey, like from here to the other side. And you used to roll it down, and they had like holes. So there was like a goalie,
Yeah.
and there was like holes, and you get the puck, and
Right.
you'd like shoot into the holes. You know what'd be good?
Mm.
It's too bad it's not summer.
What's
This M6 BMW.
No way.
Yeah.
Can I see it? Tu je tako hudo, ko imajo tako kot v filmih, no. Joj. Lušten. V resnici jaz sploh nič ne vem o tem modelu. Jaz sem ga spoznal tam, kjer delava. Tam, kjer jaz fotkam, on dela v bistvu v skladišču. Ej.
It's 2017, I think. I
Damn.
think, or 16, something like that.
Does he let you drive it?
Yeah, I drove it before.
Badass though.
Hell yeah.
His name is Coco?
Coco.
He or she?
She.
Oh, she. Okay.
She's excited.
Okay.
Coco? Who's that? Who's that?
How old is she?
Fuck. 2011 to now? So
Whoa.
8 years old.
Ti bom dol dol, ja.
Quiet.
Boš ti? Hey, do you have any slippers?
Slippers? No.
To sem opazil, noben ne v Ameriki, ne v Kanadi, noben ne uporablja copatov. Nobody uses slippers, right?
We don't really use slippers. Well, my parents do, but I don't.
Meni se je to prav taka slovenska stvar, ker imamo mi vsi te copate.
Shut up, man.
Hey, that's a huge house.
It is? You think
Well,
so?
for us, living in Europe, yeah.
Maybe, yeah.
Ding, 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 ding.
You know how to play piano?
Ding, ding. No. Do you know how to play?
Just curious. No, I don't know how to play. My parents bought it. I never learned though.
Coco. Oh.
So this is the
Mašina.
mess.
Who's the stylist?
My mom.
Je si?
Yeah.
Oni hrepenijo po tej Evropi in kle posod samo to Nizozemsko gledam, pa te mline. Ful so fani Evropi. Sami mlini posod.
TV here. I play my video games here. Well, some of my video games.
Oh.
And then
Imajo radi vsi tele šanelirčki.
I did this wall the other day. Come take a look.
Kako nek slik, ne? You did the wall?
This one here.
Oh, the bricks.
Yeah.
Nice.
Doesn't that look sick?
Yeah. You did it by yourself?
Yeah, actually, my dad gave me the material, but.
Nice.
Did they-
Good boy. Living room.
Look, this is my favorite part. Look at this shower. It's my favorite fucking shower. You just sit down and just relax. I'll show you.
Oh, do you have any siblings?
Yeah, two.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Brother and sister.
Okay.
Okay, I'll show you the basement. Show you the basement.
Yo. Hey. No way, and there's the air hockey.
Yeah.
No way, come on, man.
Yeah.
I can't believe it.
And then you have like board games, Xbox, Nintendo. All this
How
shit.
many televisions do you have?
Too many.
And the drums?
Yeah, man.
I know it's nothing special for you, but for us living in Europe, there's I don't know.
Really?
I don't have a friend that has so many like
Things?
No. Anyways, this guy here is my co-worker
Yeah.
at the
What would you call it?
company that I work for, and we met like 2 months ago.
Yeah, I'd say.
Just before Christmas.
Mm-hmm.
What else?
That's it.
Sorry. His name is Dakota.
Yeah.
Like the state we've been to.
Yeah.
South Dakota, North
North
Dakota.
and South Dakota, yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, he's my age, and what else? He's Italian. His background is from Italy, right?
Half.
Half of it.
And the other half is British.
Hey, my man.
Hey, Richard.
How you doing, sir?
Oh, you bring a lot of beer.
Yeah, just for you, man. Just for you. This is my friend Alex.
Nice to meet you.
Bring that in?
Tom toliko pogrešal, no, te bajte ogromne, pa vse je toliko huge. Pa da to poudarim, da oni niso nič premožni ali pa kaj, to je čisto normalen standard pri njih. Da imajo vsi nove avte, velike bajte, ta bajta ima več kot 300 kvadratov. Sej ne bom govoril tega ozadja s krediti, pa z vsem tem, sam kakorkoli, no, meni je noro. Hey, but how many times do you actually come here with your family and play the pool?
He probably never uses it anymore.
Never?
What happens is like when you have something for a while, you just kind of just
I
it
know.
just becomes
I
like
know.
you're normal, and it's just like
Yeah.
whatever.
Well, pick.
I'm into Asian, but
I'm not picky at all. I don't give a shit.
I'm not picky
That's
either.
good. Meat. Meat.
Yeah.
Let's get meat. Let's get meat.
okay. Easy enough.
Even if you order take a pakoda.
What was that? What
Order
the fuck
cake.
was that? I don't even know what that was.
Indian food is very spicy.
Are you familiar with like how I could just see the full menu, so I don't have to fucking scroll?
You can't. There's no way. No.
Oh my god.
So annoying.
That's so fucking
Like the only way
annoying.
you do it is when you scroll
Starvation.
down. Look, you scroll down. You can choose up there. These.
I'm gonna check the actual main website on my phone
Oh,
so I can pull it up.
I would say do it on my phone, but you're probably gonna see some weird porn if you open up Chrome.
Hi, good evening. I would like to order a dinner for 5, please.
Dinner for 5 with a 3-star chicken ball or lamb chicken.
Can we get the chicken balls, please?
Yeah?
I have a question for you.
Yeah?
Can we sub out the vegetable fried rice for the chicken fried rice instead?
Okay. Yeah? Yeah, address?
Address? Sorry, did you say address? Hello?
Hello? Yeah, you give me address.
197
197, yeah?
MCC?
MCC, McCollum Way?
Yes, that's right. Didn't even ask how long it was gonna
That's
be.
hilarious.
Fuck.
Can we split the bill? Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Are you
Fucking
sure?
hurry up,
Can we
let's
do
go.
it? Yeah, okay.
I was doing okay, but normally I'm like that where I just don't get. I'm clueless.
She's
I'm like
so
looking at people like, someone help me. I need help. I don't know what she's saying. They said we couldn't put a balanced breakfast inside of my black ass. They were wrong.
That's good. That's good.
Whose is that?
That's the best one.
I won? Seriously?
That's fucking hilarious.
Come on, man.
How's it going, boss?
I'm fine. Sorry about the ice.
No fault.
Heavyweight.
That food came way too quick.
Yeah,
This is
I agree.
the official
You wanna get
Chinese
some
food
plates for
when
y'all?
you're in America.
Do you think it was pre-cooked?
I think so.
Of course it was. Oh, it's so good. What is this? You got
Let me move this fucking shit out of the way.
That's a chicken ball. I've never
Yeah.
seen like one like this before. And what is that?
I've never had
Spring roll?
Spring roll.
Yeah.
And what is that?
Shrimp.
Each person cracks open their fortune cookie
Okay.
and they read what's inside of it.
Yeah.
And right after they read what's on the pamphlet, they say in bed. So you say
Just do it.
blah, 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 in bed. So I'm going to go first, okay? This is actually not even proper English, by the way. I'm going to say that right now.
Good.
You tend to think things out to the end result before acting in bed. Not even that good, but
Neither is mine.
okay.
Goods that are not shared are not goods in bed.
That's good.
What's that smell? Queefing. An endless stream of diarrhea. Nice.
Oh my god.
Stephen Harper.
I swear if Bit played that not knowing who that was.
Yeah.
Yo, fuck you.
No, wait, no. I googled each and every one, and I found out that this guy is a Canadian Prime Minister or something.
He was before, yeah.
He was
Before
okay.
this one.
Okay, so I assume that should be fine. 2.5 To zdaj sploh ne sledim več. Klical me je, si sploh mi ni jasno zdaj, kva sem se zmenil. No, v glavnem, kako imam rad to besedo, tako nekako povzamejo vse skupaj, v glavnem. Can you say v glavnem?
V glavnem.
Klical me je Boris, to je tisti lastnik te firme, ki delajo moška oblačila, ki sem delal za njih. In me vpraša, how flexible are you next week? Če grem čez 8 ur z njem na Portugalsko, kar kva. Pač da zanj ga snemam, oziroma vlogam njegov live 5 dni zapored in posnamam tovarno, kjer vse to delajo, te čevlje in to. In unka me pozna, ve, da jaz takim stvarem ne morem reči ne. Še posebej, če je vpleten avion zraven. Upam, da sem sestavil v teh 8 urah, moram spakirati. Počutam se, ki je ena pohojena vešča, vse moram dati odpreti. Mislim pa, da je omembe vreden tudi to, da mi je danes potekla delovna kanadska viza in sploh legalno ne smem biti več v Kanadi. Kar sploh ni tak problem, dokler te ne dobijo. Če te pa dobijo, te pa lahko deportirajo iz države, pa prepoved vračanja v državo dobiš, pa kakšno denarno kazen tudi verjetno. Tako ni fajn, če te dobijo, no. Tako da po eni strani je fajn, da grem v Evropo, pa spet nazaj, ker po moji logiki se mora ta viza pol resetirati nazaj na turističen status. Nisem pa zihar, bomo videli, jaz upam, da bom lahko šel še enkrat v Kanado, če ne drugega vse, da poberem prtljago pa to. Pa kolo imam še, spal sem spet 4 ure. Lušten, jaz uživam v takem življenju, ki je na 9000 obratov skozi. Da se dogaja, mora se dogajati, če ne dolg čas. Ampak tako no, zelo stresno spet.